Hey Russell, one more time. We're down in the laundry room fixture where the angle stop is, and I've been here for about 15 minutes now with this hooked up. It's actually connected to the actual laundry so that we can have it under pressure. We just wanted to test it under pressure. And although there was obviously some leaking going on, if you look deep inside here, the only places these things can leak is there's a bushing here where the shaft exits for the handle, and other than that it could leak in the connection where it threads in down here. But there is no water or moisture at all, and this has been hooked up for 15 minutes now. As you can see, it's just a little of the old residual rust. Now what I do see is you can see how there's been water here, and see how it's kind of going at an angle back towards the back. What was probably happening is the old washing machine connection, whatever hose they were using, the little O-ring inside here was probably not seated properly, and the water leak was actually just happening because they had a bad O-ring in the hose connection itself. But as you can see, we've got a new hose here. It's connected. I'm going to turn it on and off so you can understand that it's actually under pressure. And there's absolutely no leaks. So all that residual rust and sediment there is just from the old hose itself, the connection itself leaking. There's really nothing wrong with the valve itself. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Let me see. There you go, yeah. Yeah, that's all just rust from water that leaked out of the old hose connection.